Hey guys, what is up? It is Ryan Sneaks back with another video, and today I have a new unboxing for the new Timex and Noah collab. I have the tank style that they released a couple years ago, but I'm really excited for this one. It comes in a normal cover for the Timex boxes that they usually have, and then you have the Noah box inside. This box just says Noah on the front and then Timex. That's pretty much it. Taking the lid off here, we're gonna be greeted with the watch that's wrapped in this cover, and then here's the watch itself. I'm a pretty big fan of how this looks. Like I said, I'm really happy with the tank that I have. And then I went ahead and got this oval version as well. This one here is a little bit bigger than the tank style. It is still gold, but I really do like the bigger face on it. Also, this one is a moon phase and not a sun and moon phase the way this one is. So this one will only tell you the moon. The band on it is pretty nice, just like a pebbled leather. It says genuine leather on the inside here and Timex. Gold buckle here that says Timex as well. But overall, super happy with this. I waited, I think, since November for this to come in, so I'm really happy that it did come in finally. Kind of forgot about it for a while there, but I'm very happy that it's here. But yeah, let me know what you guys think down below. I know this release is pretty hyped up because of the other Timex releases they've done with Noah. I know Timex isn't very sought after or anything like that, but I feel like they make pretty good watches, and the Noah branding and the style that they do is really nice. And I know they're reselling for a lot right now, pretty much double what retail was. So I'm pretty happy that I picked it up at retail. Hey, but that is going to be it. Thank you guys again for watching. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button, and I'll catch you next time.